Sound we have Olin, best to begin, Virtual Angel, and on the outside, Symphony, Yellow Sipcut, Olin is racing in port, Hurricane Ali, then comes Just Awesome, and on the outside, in between horses now is Janelle's Episode, compelled to lead, Best Kept Secret. And going along for the first turn, we have Virtual Angel, Symphonies on the outside. 2 lengths in third, Elusive Cut. Olin is racing in fourth, Just Awesome and Pipa. Best Kept Secret is Bilateral 6, and on the outside 7, Janelle's Episode, Hurricane Ali, and compelled to lead. Meanwhile, Symphony takes the lead. Rise back in second is Virtual Angel. Elusive Cut trying to get closer in third, Olin in fourth. Racing in fifth now is Just Awesome, Best Kept Secret moving up, Hurricane Ali compelled to lead, and Janelle's Episode. Symphony by Avaralengani Hapa. Elusive Cut in between horses is all in. Racing in fourth position is Just Awesome, then comes Virtual Angel. Symphony, Elusive Cut is on the outside, all in is running by the third. As they come there to the last 150, Symphony moving up, Elusive Cut, Just Awesome in between horses. Just Awesome, Symphony, Elusive Cut. Symphony, Just Awesome is not on the inside. Symphony, Just Awesome moves up, and finally Just Awesome, Symphony, then comes Elusive Cut, Olin.
1923.
Yun lang narinig at na...
Hindi natuloy ni ano eh.
Okay.